Hi, I'm Matt Brash. I've been a vet for over 25 years working in a zoo. As a domestic and exotic vet, looking after people's pets and also helping our natural wildlife. What we feed our wild birds is really important. If you want to attract a big variety of different birds in, then it's a good idea to give them a bird seed mix that's got loads of different types of seed in it. A seed mix like this one with 12 different varieties of small seeds all being dehusked is just perfect to attract lots of different types of birds into your garden. But you don't want to just be putting out seed mix for them. It's a good idea to give them something like this suet nugget. It's easily digested, and this one's already got some small seed and some mealworms in it. This is perfect for the middle of winter when they need a real packet of energy, but also in the spring when it's an easy source of food for those young birds that have still got soft bills. Peanuts are a good all year round one. They make a really good source of energy and protein any time of the year. Really compact, full of energy, but it's very important to make sure that you feed it in the right sort of feeder. You want to be feeding it in a mesh feeder, because if a bird takes out one of these and feeds it to a young bird, they could choke. So always feed peanuts in a mesh feeder. And lastly, sunflower hearts. These have already been dehusked and make a really great compact energy source for all sorts of birds, particularly the smaller colourful birds. They just love it. So don't forget, feeding a variety of different foods brings in lots of different types of birds. Feed different types of food at different types of year, and make sure you always go for good quality food so that we have really healthy birds. If you want further information, visit the website peckishbirdfood.com.